In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post. So for us to get this done, what I'm going to do is just tap the plus sign down below, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose post. After doing so, you have here like some images that you can use. I'm going to try this one right here, the first one, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit the next button at the top. Now I'm just going to click OK, and then from here you will be able to see this here. Oh, there's also a suggested audio here, but basically what I'm gonna do is try to tap this one right here in order for me to be able to see selections. So from here, go ahead and choose which one you'd like to use. You can also go ahead and search it here at the top. So yeah, I'm just gonna try this one for example. There you go. And then you can go ahead and adjust this one. Basically choose which part you would like to use. Alright, now say for example you are satisfied. What you are going to do is just tap this check button right here and then click next once again. After doing so, just go ahead and hit OK for the reminder. You can add caption and basically do all the other things here, but you will be able to see here your music that you have added. Now, if you are satisfied with everything here, what you're going to do is just tap the share button here, and you can see that it is being uploaded. So let's go ahead and refresh our profile, and if I were to go ahead and click this, you will be able to see that we have a song or music added in here. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.